Hey dolls, welcome to the DollHouse. It's your girl Princess, and today I am so excited to bring you a soft glam makeup look for beginners using my favorite products from JUVIA'S Place. All products will definitely be linked down below in the description box, so if you're interested in this look, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Most importantly, share this video. But first, let me cue this intro. Alright dolls, so let's get into this look. The first thing we're going to do is eyebrows. Now I'm using my spoolie to kind of brush my eyebrows so that I can get the desired shape and look that I want. Fill in my eyebrows so that I can later use my concealer to blend out the sides for the desired shape. Next thing we're going to do is use the Pro Concealer in the shade Tofee. Now I like to use the Tofee because it matches better with my skin. And here I am just putting it on both ends of my eyebrows just to get the desired shape that I like. And that's that. So as I got the desired shape that I'm looking for, I'm using the spoolie to brush my eyebrows and kind of shape them into the look that I'm looking for. I take my Morphe brush to kind of blend out the concealer so that I can prep my eyebrows for the next look. And here is the look that I am going for. Next, I'm going to apply my concealer on my lids before I do my eyeshadow. Now, I use the concealer in the Fawn color so that it's a little bit lighter. And here I am tapping it in because you definitely have to create a canvas for you to start working on. So you gotta tap, tap, tap in, you know? And yeah, pretty much that is self-explanatory. And I did get a little bit hungry there, so my banana was on deck. Next, we're going to use the LARUE Eye Fix Eyeshadow Primer to prime the eyelids before we pack on the eyeshadow. As you can see, I'm using the JUVIA'S Place Warrior palette. I love this palette because it has all the transition shades and all the shades that are very neutral that I could use when I'm trying to, get my eye makeup started. The one that I used first was the brown color that I pointed out, to kind of put that base on there so that I can start working on my canvas. Next, I went in with that lighter shade color just to kind of blend that in so that it's a little bit more smooth to my liking. I definitely love this light transition color. It's nothing too crazy, it gives you a very subtle and natural look that you're going for a soft glam. Next, I took a darker color in the JUVIA'S Place Warrior palette just for the crease, just to kind of give it more dimension and kind of buff that in and get that, giving it a little bit more of a smokiness to the corners of the eye. I built that in to get the intensity that I want it to be, a little bit more darker. This is such a simple look, All you need is the 2 colors that I pointed out on the Juvia's Warrior palette. As you can see, I'm already getting into my eyeliner look. This could definitely be your everyday, you know, no makeup look, as well as the Soft Glam as well. I'm going in with my eyeliner from the JUVIA'S Place. It's the black eyeliner that I love because it's so seamless and it just kind of draws on very nicely. Here I am showing that off to you guys. Feeling myself a little bit there. So we are getting into the eyelashes. I love eyelashes. I mean, who doesn't? I just kind of place those eyelashes there. It's very self-explanatory. Boom. Get into it. Guys, this look is super easy and it can be used as an everyday look. Like I said before, as you can see, we're only a few minutes in and I'm already done with the eyes. So I'm pretty sure anybody can definitely achieve this look very easily. All right, dolls, so now we're gonna prep the face before we apply the foundation. And I'm using the Ellipsis Labs Hyaluronic Makeup Primer. Now, I love this primer because it leaves your face so smooth, goes on very nicely, and it leaves your makeup flawless. All right, so the foundation that I use is from Juvia's Place as well, and it is the Magic foundation, and the color is Kenya, and that is 200. We're gonna apply that very generously on your face. Now, this foundation actually is a full coverage, so you don't really need as much. For the video purposes, I did use a little bit more just to kind of show you guys that, you know, the look that I'm trying to go for. Once again, you don't need that much of this Juvia's Place foundation because it is very, very much a full coverage foundation. The brush that I'm using is also from Juvia's Place. I will leave the link down below for you guys to purchase this brush. It is my go-to brush. It's amazing. It's a very, very reasonable on this site, guys. Next thing we're gonna do is use the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer number 11 to highlight. Now I use it under my eye, bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. Once you got that in, you definitely want to use your brush, and this is a Real Technique brush. I will leave the link down below as well, and you just buff that in. Make sure that you get all the highlights very, very nicely in the skin. And now it's time to contour. I'm using the Juvia's Shade Sticks in Congo. Congo is a very, very beautiful color for my skin, and it shows the contour that I'm going for, because you know we need to snatch up that face with some contour. I don't like to contour my face too much, so I like to get that in very, very lightly. So I go back in with the highlights and make sure that that's blended in. And you want to blend it all out so it's not too harsh on your face. You don't want to look like you have that highlight on your face. Now I'm doing the bridge of my nose, blending that in. Make sure that it's all contoured very nicely and blended out. Okay, I see you. Now it's baking time. So the setting powder that I'm using is from JUVIA'S Place as well, and it is GOBI. Link will be below. Now, since this is a soft glam, I'm not baking for too long. I naturally don't really use the setting powder to bake for too long. So I just blend that in and make sure that that's all in place. Next, I'm going in with the blush from JUVIA'S Place called Bella Blush. I love this blush. I use it every day, every time that I'm doing my makeup. It's definitely a favorite product of mine from JUVIA'S Place. Now, we're going to use the blush a little bit above the contour and get that in there. Give you that rosy cheek look. And then let's go back into the eyes using my black eyeliner. You could definitely use any black eyeliner of your choice. And yes, I was definitely feeling myself right there. Let's go back in with the JUVIA'S Place Warrior palette, and I'm taking the darkest shade and just using a smaller brush just to kind of get that eyeliner in there. Next, I'm going to take my JUVIA'S Place Afrique palette. I love this palette, as you can see. It's almost done. You're going to use the Angelique shade, and that's the whiter one just from the inner corners of my eye. And now it's lippy time. I'm using the Morphe Trendsetter lip liner to line my lips. If anyone knows me, that is, I love lip liner. I have to use lip liner. It's just like amazing. Like I feel very naked when I don't use it. So that's the lip liner that I use. I also actually have a few from MAC as well. And I know that JUVIA'S Place just launched a few lip liners, so I'm definitely gonna get a few of those because lip liner is life. Alright, so after that I'm going in with my Anastasia lip gloss in Venus, and I love this lip gloss. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. It has like little crystals in there, has you looking beautiful. Like, let's go. All right, yeah, so after that lip, we are all set to go. All right, dolls, and this is the final look, and I'm pretty sure anybody can definitely achieve this look. If you do end up recreating this look, please let me know and tag me on IG at Princess Diaby Doll, and I will leave that link down below. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, and if you would do anything differently, please definitely comment down below so we could get it popping, you know what I'm saying? All right, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share the video and hit that notification bell as well. Until next time, ciao, dolls.